One of the most confusing things about cosmetic treatments is the price. I'm going to break down everything cost wise in terms of ranges that I've seen. Okay, skincare, it ranges quite a bit. You can get sunscreens for 10 bucks, you can get sunscreens for 50 bucks. A lot of this comes down to marketing, some quality stuff, but also research in skincare and who's prescribing it or giving it to you. Botox, I've seen anything as cheap as $8 a unit for Botox, and then I've seen, several $1,000 minimums depending on where you go. This, again, is dependent on where you're located, the cost of the injector in terms of their expertise, how much they value or think their time is worth relative to doing other treatments. Fillers, same thing. I've seen $500 for one syringe, and I've seen $5,000 minimums for a smattering of syringes depending on how much they want to use, meaning it's not necessarily dependent on the amount or quantity. Chemical peels, I've seen $300, I've seen $1,000. This has to do with the formulation, who's administering it to you, but also the strength of the peel, whether they're used to managing complications related to it, how much hand holding is required, how much your downtime is, etc., because it requires more visits in the office. Surgery is obviously variable. I've seen blepharoplasties at $3,000. I've seen blepharoplasties at $20,000. Highly dependent on your location, skill of that surgeon, what they are feeling comfortable charging. You get what you pay for, but I know this stuff can be confusing. Leave your questions in the comments.